This blueberry lemon ice cream is creamy, smooth, with just a hint of lavender to brighten the flavor. And I'm going to show you how to make it. The first thing we're going to do is make the puree. For this recipe, you can use either fresh blueberries or frozen blueberries. I use all frozen, about 2 cups to reduce down to 1 cup of puree. It will take a few minutes for the blueberries to cook down. Add the cooled down blueberries to a blender and blend smooth, and if needed, strain. I didn't strain mine. Next, we're going to build the base. I like to add everything into my blender to make sure that everything incorporates until smooth. Add 1.5 cups heavy cream, 1 cup half and half, half a cup of sweetener. We use Allulose, 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons non-fat milk powder, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon vodka. You can omit this ingredient if you don't want to use it. You'll want to blend all of your base ingredients first just to get them nice and mixed up. Add in the blueberry puree, the zest of 1 lemon, 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of lavender extract. When working with extracts, less is more. Blend everything together and then taste it to make sure all of your flavors are where you want them to be. Cool down your base in the fridge or freezer before you churn it. Once your base is nice and cool, pour it into your ice cream attachment or your ice cream churner and churn it based on your manufacturer's recommendations. For us, it takes about 20 minutes. While your ice cream is churning, you'll want to prepare the blueberry bits that are going to go inside of the ice cream. For the blueberry accents, you'll want about half a cup of blueberries. I used frozen. Add in 2 tablespoons of allulose. Heat the blueberries with allulose until just softened and juices release. Do not cook into jam. Remove them from the heat and set them down to cool. Drain the excess liquid and then lightly chop if needed and then chill completely. This is optional, but if you toss 1 tablespoon of vodka once cooled, it will help the blueberries not freeze too hard inside of the ice cream. Once the ice cream is ready, transfer it to a container and then add the blueberry accents by mixing it in 2 layers. And then freeze until it's scoopable.